Hello and welcome all. Today we are going to learn some tricks in Excel. So in this trick we are going to learn that how you can prepare a whole result of a class. Okay, so here I'm having this data. Now I want to calculate the grading and a result analysis. So the first thing I can calculate okay, so the maximum marks is 20. So let's calculate the percentage over here. Uh, So the percentage, to find a percentage, you have to type equal to and then select the marks divided by maximum marks into 100. This is a very simple formula. So now when you are going to highlight this result, so you can see now this plus sign is in a two variation. One is a black color and second one is a white color. So when it's a black, just double click it and it's going to automatically fill all the values. So remember that here you have applied the formula, but here is an absent, so it will give you a value error. So this is not a value. So this is how you have find the percentage. My mistake. Percentage. Okay, so now I want to find the grading. So to find the grading, we are going to learn a new formula, that is Vlookup. So now to execute that Vlookup, we have to create a range of for the grading. Okay, so let's suppose I want the range from 0, uh, then 40, then I will have 60, then I will have a 80. Remember that that should be in a sorted order. For 0 to 39, I'm going to assign the grade A. For 40 to 59, the grade should be B. Okay, so I follow the reverse order. So that should be A, B, C, and D. So that would be my grade and that would be my range. Okay, so let's just format it so that it would be look better. Okay, we are all set. Now here we are going to find the grades. So to now find the grade, I'm going to use VLOOKUP. Use a tab to complete this. So now we look up value. So which value we are going to look over here. So the first would be that the percentage. We are going to convert this percentage to the grading part. So the second thing is okay, so I have to put a comma over here. Second thing is table array. So this would be your table array. So just select this whole thing. Fine. This would not work. Let me demonstrate that what thing you should need to implement that thing properly. Okay, let's learn the formula first. So that would be the range of the values. Okay, or table array. So that would be table array, that is the set of the range and the grading, corresponding grading. Now the column index. So which index you want to insert? That is 1, 2. So this is a second index. That is second. So last one is optional, that you want to restrict to the absolute value or just a nearby value. So I'm going to skip that. So here I'm going to close the bracket and put enter over here. So now you can see that this formula VLOOKUP. So F3 would be my that one. So 40 would lie under the C, and that is a table, and that is a second column which I want to insert. So the problem is that when you're going to drag it, your formula is going to be, look here we are having a F4 and I4, and here F3 and I3. So that is a big mistake. So I want to fix the table part. So I want to fix this table part. So if I'm going to press F4, I just recently press F. Okay, let me do it again. So let's do it again. Okay, fine. So first you have to select this 40, then there should be a comma. Now select the range. When you selected the range, press F4. So when you press the F4, that converted cell would be like dollars and dollars, and which is going to be log those values. Okay, so now the second index. Now enter. So this is a C, and now let's check. Okay, so you can see that is still fixed. Fine. So similarly, put this, and here there is nothing. So that would be deleted. So this is all the ranges you have calculated. So this is very simple. So let's control shift right arrow and bottom arrow. Okay, all has been selected, just formatted it. Okay, so now our last job is to find the result or do the result analysis on this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this control shift and down button again. So I selected all the grades. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the insert. Okay, uh pivot chart. Okay, so you can do one another thing, just right click on it, here. Okay, quick analysis. Okay, we're going to do the result analysis. So here are the tables. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, quick analysis table. Then you can see here you will have all the result analysis over here. Fine. A grade 9 student, B 8. So here a number of variant. Fine. So here is a total, but we don't need that. So let's go for this. Just double click it, and this is your whole result analysis. Fine. One is the absence student. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, just hit the like button and subscribe to my this channel so that you will get more updates regarding the tricks of Excel. Thanks.